everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is CG English Wala. My name is Pankaj Devangar. I will share my daily routine, what type of activity I do to improve my English language on daily basis. It will help you to improve your English language. If you follow this type of method on your daily basis, definitely your English will improve and you will be good at English. So I follow simple method on daily basis. With the help of this method, my English got a little bit improved. But I am trying my level best on daily basis. So if talk about day start, so my day it start with practice. Yes, I use application. I use CB apps on daily basis. I spend 1 hour on CB apps to talk any stranger. So it's my morning activity and I spend 1 hour on daily basis and I have been using CB apps for 6 months. So why my English got improved because of this app. If you want to improve your English language, so it is necessary to have an English environment. And we are Indian, so we don't have any English environment. So I have to create English environment by using this type of apps so that you can learn something new. Then you can explore with the help of this application. So I spend 1 hour on daily basis in the morning time. Then rest of the time I read. Yes, I read some moral type of story on net. I choose only simple story, so that I can understand each and every aspect of English. Because simple English, simple structure is easy to understand, easy to read, easy to comprehend. That's why I prefer to read only simple English story. And I watch conversation video. Yes, if you watch conversation video, so by watching conversation video, you will come to know lot of things. How to ask any question, how to answer any question, and whenever you are asked any question, then to how to reply that question in proper manner. So you can watch conversation video. It is not compulsory. If you want to improve your English language, then you will have to watch only conversation video. According to your interest part, you can watch. But I prefer to watch conversation video. Because of conversation video, my English got improved and I am capable to ask and answer any question in English. So I prefer to watch conversation video and I don't watch any movie, I don't watch any web series, and I don't watch any English content because I am a beginner. So I can't understand each and every aspect of advanced level. And I don't run after perfection and fluency. I just focus on my communication part. So I have created this channel so that I can share my English journey through this video. That's why I try to upload my video on daily basis, and this is my 17 and 18 video on that channel. And if you didn't watch any video, so please check out my channel and you can watch a lot of video, because I want to share my English journey with you so that you can inspired by my journey and you can learn with me. So if you want to improve your English language, so you have to focus on 2 and 3 things at the initial level. The speaking part is very important. You can focus on your speaking part, and you can use practice app, voice session apps. With the help of these apps, you can improve your English language. Second thing is that read more and listen more. Yes, if you read more and if you listen more, definitely your mind start figure out new thing, new sentence, and you will start thinking in English, because the more to you given your mind, the more outcomes will come out of your mouth. Yes, this is the right things. The more you practice, the more get better in this language. And don't need to grammar, need to big vocab. You need a sentence, simple words, simple structure, simple grammar knowledge. And you need passion, and you need follow this method on daily basis. Your English will be improved. And this video find you helpful. Please like, subscribe, share my channel.